In this presentation, we're going to talk about the testing challenge. So what is the goal of testing? Computer software runs the modern world. All software has bugs. Unless the most disruptive bugs are removed, the world will grind to a halt. Ensuring that software is production ready is the goal of testing. The testing challenge begins with the product development process. Software products have become more complex. New tools and processes have been created to assist with development because more code usually means more bugs. Software testing uses test execution tools, automated tools using scripting, load stress testing tools to do performance testing, test creation tools using state transition diagrams, code coverage tools for unit tests and path analysis by developers. However, timing and serialization bugs escape from this process. We have basically a testing paradox. There's constant pressure to improve time to market. There are vastly improved development tools. Testing tools have not kept pace with development tools. Therefore, it is easier to develop code than to test it, and the testers are always the ones holding up product delivery and revenue. When am I done testing? The cost of finding and removing defects grows exponentially with the quality of the code. As each defect is removed, the cost of finding and removing the next defect increases. Hence, it is practically impossible to deliver zero defect software. A tester's true goal. Since all software has bugs, the goal is not to find all of the defects, but to find the defects that matter, or those that would disrupt a production environment, such as memory leaks affecting reliability, data integrity producing wrong results, performance with poor response time, serialization items not working out of sequence, and probably the most important thing a tester needs to test for is to test the specifications and find out what the product doesn't do. Testing from a user perspective, every user has different expectations, so we have to consider perspectives of each and every user, such as system administrators, managers, professionals, and students. There are different product objectives based on different points of view, and here is a cartoon showing a tree swing designed by product marketing specified a solid mahogany seat, stainless steel cables, tungsten carbide bushes. The salesman promised padded cushions, bells and whistles, and a sunshade. The designs group initial design wasn't functional at all. Corporate product architecture modified it to 3 different levels. The pre-release version was also non-functional. The general release version was held together with nails and extra knots, and what the customer actually wanted was a simple tire swing. Again, different objectives means different tests. There's more to testing software than just finding bugs. No single test team can achieve all test objectives. Test objectives need to be divided between test teams to ensure proper scope and focus. Placing too many objectives on one test team actually reduces effectiveness and efficiency. What we're after is production-ready software. The test objectives are removing bugs, testing the requirements, testing the specifications, verifying reliability, availability, and serviceability metrics, confirming ease of migration, ensuring data integrity, proving operational capability, demonstrating acceptable performance, showing system management capabilities, and load testing. Not everyone is cut out to be a tester, but it can be a lifelong career path. Here are some of the traits of a tester: curious, skeptical, restless, upbeat, diplomatic, insatiable, generous, empathetic, and resilient.